Hey, what's up, James? Gordon, lead local. Um, I try to keep this within 10 minutes or so. Uh, Show you how to set up your ad. So I love your Facebook page, man. Especially all the motivational posts. I think that's really cool. It took me a few minutes to read through them all. I like them. Uh, Pretty cool. All right, so you're on your Facebook page. Come up here. This little drop down. Go to manage ads. If you haven't ran an ad, it would say create a Facebook ad or Facebook advertising or something like that. So we're going to manage ads for me. On my ad account. And then this green button here, create. Start over. Okay, so we're going to create an engagement ad. Okay. This is a type of ad where people are going to comment on different things on posts. So you can get leads through comments and things like that. You can type your campaign name as however you want to type it up. I'm just going to call it OSS Property Test. Your daily budget can be whatever you want it to be. I normally put it at $10, just at it's $300 a month. It's completely whatever you want it to be. Ad set name. Put this as today's date, 4/23. Come on. 4/23/20. Okay. Okay, the audience piece. So we're going to create a new audience. So we're going to include Columbus, Georgia. Okay. I'm going to add a location too, because I think you mentioned you wanted North Atlanta as well. I'm going to look and see what town would be up there. So I'm just going to pick Dunwoody. I don't know anything about Dunwoody, but I want to pick Dunwoody and do a radius around it. Okay. Dunwoody, Georgia, 25-mile radius. Probably going to tighten that up a little bit. Maybe like a 17 or maybe a 10-mile radius. So that kind of gets you, again, you can make this whatever you want. I'm kind of guessing as to where you want it to be. So right now, your ad would show up in Columbus, Georgia, a 25-mile radius around that, and then a 10-mile radius around Dunwoody, Georgia. I typically, for any kind of home service, I adjust the age up to like 25, and then I keep it to 65 plus, all genders. Hold on, I'm going to grab my targeting list here. I'll jump back on here just a second. All right, James, I got a few more. I got my list here. So the detail targeting, this is where you're going to target the kind of people who you want to target. So we're going to target home improvement as an interest. So the second one down. Landscape. Architecture as an interest. Landscaping as an interest. Home repair as an interest. Home improvement. Oops, where'd he go? Home improvement. New house as an interest. Recently moved as a demographic. kind of targeting people who just moved who may want to kind of redo some landscaping and whatnot. That's pretty common. Those are the main ones. Let me see if I can add a couple more here. Landscape. We don't want any job titles. We want interest and behavior around landscaping. Let's see. We'll look for behavior here real quick. I'm going to pause this. All right, those are the main ones I would probably keep it to. So you're going to target people who are interested in home repair, landscape architecture, landscaping, new house, who have also recently moved, in addition to recently moved. And you'll see over here that we've got a nice properly scoped audience size. Our potential reach is 580,000 people. At this point, we're going to probably narrow that down just a little bit. So we're going to check on this manual placements, because we don't want Facebook to choose where we're spending our money. We're going to take it off Instagram because it's a different algorithm and it's not as cost effective. We're going to take it off the in-stream and take off in article and take off all the apps. So really the only place where we're going to show your ad is in the Facebook news feed, the browser. All right. So now post engagement. All right, so I'm going to pause it again one more time. All right, sorry about that. So we've got our post engagement. We've got our audience selected. We know where the ad is going to show up. So now let's continue. Okay, so the Facebook page that represents your business. I've got a bunch of pages, but here's where you would select your OSS Property Maintenance business page. And then here's where you can kind of create your ad, the actual post that people would see. Here I'll just say create ad. You can, if you have an existing post, you can use an existing post. Like you just come down here and select the post that you want to use. This is one that I ran a little while ago. Actually, it's the one I'm running now, maybe. Anyway, you can do that. You can do that, or you can create an ad. Use a single image is what I like to do. Primary text. Here's where you're going to make your offer. Actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and just add a picture just to go through the steps here. Come on. Where's Add Media? I'm just going to select a picture here. Okay. All right, so here's where you're going to make your offer. I'll put a little bit of thought into this in terms of what you're going to say or how you're going to say to grab your potential customer's attention. Typically, if you make a great make something for free, I don't know, like 3 free attention Atlanta. We're offering mulch special. Maybe come back, say 3 free yards of mulch with the purchase of 10 or whatever. Again, be creative as you can with your offer. Obviously, don't make an offer that's going to kill yourself financially, but make it attractive. Yeah, maybe with the purchase of 10 yards, you'll throw in the labor for free, or however you want to do it, and then just kind of spell it out. Again, it doesn't have to be overly complicated. Actually, simple is better. Get some people here that like and comment, and that's where you'll start to generate a little bit of discussion. And your call to action will be to get quote. Maybe not get quote because you don't have a website. We can send message. There we go. So I noticed on your Facebook page, you've got a really nice messenger app set up. So I think that would be a good way to start. Showing up here. There we go. Yeah, so this will be an ad where you'll either get comments or Facebook messengers to learn more about your offer. Okay. And then hit confirm when you're done, and then you'll be ready to go at that point. If you've got any questions, man, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be happy to help you. Hopefully this made a little bit of sense. I know I had to stop and start a few times to make sure I had my information straight. So again, I hope this helps. Stay well. All right, James, take care.